Yeah, stocks have done pretty well the last month or two, but are lower quality stocks beginning to lead the rally? Welcome to Trading Nation. I'm Brian Sullivan. Craig Johnson and Eddy Elfenbein are your guests today. Eddy, beginning with you. I noticed in oil, I pointed out on my show Power Lunch that many of the worst, the highest shorted oil stocks are also the best performers. Are you worried that, quote, lower quality names are starting to look like they're leading the market?
Not yet. This trend is still pretty new, and it starts out good. It's a good thing, and then it ends being a very, very bad thing. But the good thing is that we see more of these marginal names being brought onto the rally, and that's good. I mean, we don't want to see the rally led by just a couple stocks. So it's good to see more stocks join in. But investors should be aware that a lot of these conservative names are starting to lag the overall market.
Okay, and Craig, you've got an interesting chart for us, the S&P 500 against a dividend chart. What are we looking at and why?
Yeah, so we pulled out this dividend aristocrat index and we compare that to the S&P 500. And what we've done is looked at it going back a few years in time. And what we have found is that it was very correlated up until about the beginning of this year. And that was a period of time where we started seeing interest rates coming down, and then we started seeing this kind of dividend index pick up. I think it really ties into a greater need for yield among individual investors, and we continue to see this being used as a bit of a bond proxy substitute from our perspective. Over the very short term, Eddy is right. We have seen the S&P 500 pick up vis-a-vis this other index, but I think if you look back over the last several months and perhaps over the last several years, this is typically a very correlated index, and I think it really ties back for the hunt for yield that investors really need at this point in time.
Craig Johnson of Piper Jaffray, Eddy Elfenbein of the Crossing Wall Street blog. Gentlemen, both, thank you. Folks, a reminder, check out the live version of Trading Nation in the 2 p.m. Eastern Time hour of Power Lunch on CNBC. We'll see you there for that as well. Have a great day.